This is a petty cashbook question. 7 marks in total for this bit really here. You've got a petty cash book here. In there, what's the amount to restore the Imprest balance? In there, what's the amount to record the closing balance? And then what's the VAT column in the cash book? It is 7 marks, but probably about 5 minutes. We'll come back in 5 minutes and give you the answer. You've used up 3 minutes so far. So you should be clear this on off and have a minute to go. Okay, so that's time. If you haven't finished it, I mean, you've got 7 marks for this question, so you can sort of pause it and complete it. But I'll go through the answer now. So on this one here, so in terms of a petty cash thing, this is an Imprest system. So it says it's on the Imprest level of 175 pounds. So we're going to always get back to that at the end of each month. It's quite sort of generous in this question because it didn't really sort of give any sort of any little bits of sales or something like that in there. I would have put a little bit of postage or something from the front desk in there. So what you do is you just create the T account. Always revert to a T account in these things here. So here's our brought forward amounts for the T account in here. There's our expenditure. So all of these amounts here, all added up to this amount here. We've got to get back to £175. How do we do that? Well, we get £130.28 from the bank. So that'll be there. And because we've done our T account, we can see that it's on the debit side in here. So that was the answer to A. Then in terms of B, what will be the entry in the petty cash book to record the closing balance? So this closing balance on the 31st of August. So this carried down is the closing balance at the 31st of August, the carrying down account of it here. So it would be balance carried down, £175 in credit here. So that's where preparing the T account in here was the most important thing, and it's always important for students, and actually in professional life as well. Really, you must always revert to T accounts in there. So that's the sort of tip. Never sort of do away with T accounts. Always have them there in your notes, what have you. So there's a T account here. I carried down figure a bit, and that's it. And that really sort of straightened up all the timings, because you could get a little bit caught up between the brought down figure, which would actually be the 1st of September. Yeah, so first, if we were putting dates in here, it'd be 1st of September here and 31st of August here, and so that's how that would work. What was the total of the VAT column in the petty cash book? Well, you just add up the VAT column. It was £19.06. So that's this petty cash question.